Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Jonah F. Sibulguro. I'm 31 years old. I live in Silawit, Kawayan City, Isabela. I'm married. I have 2 children, 8 years old and 14 years old. I have brother and sister, and I'm the youngest of the family. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Qatar as domestic helper more than 2 years. I served 1 couple and 1 child, 3 years old. I do cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and take care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the children. Sir, when the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, I'm kind, I'm hardworking, and I'm responsible.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad? Why do you want to work
I
abroad?
wanted to work abroad to provide for my family, especially for my children, and also to be usually stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child or children?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
My focus, my work,
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working? What time?
I usually sleep around 10 a.m. 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and more calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay. Okay na? Tapos ka na, di ba? Oh, kanta na yung sabi mo. Kumpletuhin mo na yan, para ko yan. Oh, dali mo na yan. Dali mo na yan. Oh, kanta na, bilisan mo.
Wait, sir, ano ba yung mga ano?
Doon ka magkuhan yan. Doon, magpaturo ka doon sa kwan.
Ah, sige, sige. Thank you, sir.
Makalisin mo na yan doon. Ha?
Ay, ako. Kinakabahan ako tuloy.
Huwag mo munang i-fix yun, Kwan. Ano pangalan mo?
Cindy, sir.
Cindy? Nag-fill up ka na ng application?
Hindi pa po.
Ay, hindi pa. Pero meron kang Kwan? Huwag mo, hindi ko pa lang. Meron kang Kwan? Meron kang, tawag dito? Yung experience sa housemaid?
Housemaid, sir.
Ex-abroad ka?
Hindi, sir.
Housemaid, helper. Meron? So, anong Kwan? Kailangan alam mo yun. Kasi pag tinanong kita, can you tell me your work experience? Kailan ka? Kailan yan?
Medyo matagal na, sir. Ano,
Ilan sila sa
2020.
family? Ha?
2020, sir.
2020. Okay. Pero ngayon, ano trabaho mo?
Sa SM, sir.
ISM. Okay. So, 2020. O, ganun talaga ang gawin natin. Doon nung 2020, gawin natin 2 years, no? 2020. Kailan ka doon sa SM?
2023, sir.
2023 nung nag-umpisa ka sa SM.
Yes, sir.
O, di ganito ang gawin natin. 2020 to 2023. Ano?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ganun na lang. So, ganito. Pag tinanong kita, can you tell me your work experience? Yes, sir, I have work experience here in the Philippines as a helper or as a housemaid. Bahala ka na doon. Then, ilan sila sa pamilya?
Bali, 5, sir.
I serve 5 members of the family, 1 couple, and 3 children. Tama yan? Ganun na lang siguro. Ha?
4 children.
4 children?
Oo, sir. Bali, twins yung ano.
Twins. Oo. Hindi, sabihin mo ko na lang, 6 members of the family. 1 couple and 4 children. Bali 6 sila. Then, yung responsibilities mo. Siyempre, cleaning,
Cleaning, sir.
cooking,
Cooking.
washing,
Yes, sir.
ironing,
Yes, sir.
and taking care of
Sure.
the children. Mga ilang taon yung mga bata noon?
Sir, yung bali yung alaga ko dun, sir, 5 years old.
5 years old, yung alaga mo?
Isa lang yung alaga ko dun, sir.
Okay. So then sabihin mo na lang yun, I taking care of the 5 years old child. Okay? So yun na yung sabihin mo. Okay?
Yes.
Sige. Okay. Phoenix mo. Yan. Tapos, ay, wala kang, ano?
Tali, sir.
Wala kang tali. Sige. Alisin mo muna yan. Oo, alisin mo muna. Kasi yung kuwan mo. Lagyan mo muna dyan. Ano yung ginagamit? Kaya dito. O dyan. Dyan.